Dehumidifiers are typically silent, energy-efficient devices used to reduce humidity levels within your home. They can be effective in controlling dampness and mildew, which can lead to respiratory illness and other health problems. While generally a safe device, it is important to remember to keep these units clean and maintain them regularly. To ensure optimal safety, pay attention to the manufacturer's specifications and read the instructions carefully. Additionally, all electrical components of dehumidifiers must be used in accordance with the safety standards of the manufacturer. To guarantee this, it is strongly recommended to use a qualified electrician to install the dehumidifier. At all times, ensure the outlet in which the dehumidifier is plugged into is grounded and in working order. Electrical shorts can cause a fire, and it is essential that the dehumidifier not be overloaded in any way. Also, ensure the appropriate capacity of a dehumidifier for the space, as too small of a unit results in insufficient dehumidifying. If the unit is too large for the space, you may overhumidify and create a hazardous environment. To prevent this, use only the appropriate type of extension cords and never cover or partially enclose the dehumidifier while plugged in. Never use a dehumidifier outdoors and never place them near a heat source such as an oven or furnace. With a dehumidifier running, children and pets should never be left unsupervised, and all safety precautions should be taken. On a regular basis, all accessible parts of the dehumidifier should be inspected for dirt and damage. Additionally, the filter should be checked and the condensate drained away at regular intervals. Also, periodically check the power cord and plug for signs of deterioration or wear and tear. Any corrosion or damage to the power cord should be addressed immediately by a qualified technician. An annual maintenance check should be done by a qualified technician to ensure the dehumidifier is running safely. Furthermore, if the dehumidifier shows any signs of smoking, odors, or has discolored surfaces, turn off the unit immediately and seek professional assistance. Since dehumidifiers are generally quite safe, following some basic safety tips will generally help prevent potential safety issues. Dehumidifiers should be placed on a flat, solid surface, and all vents should be kept clear and unobstructed at all times. It is crucial that dehumidifiers be kept away from water and never be placed in any wet or damp area. The grills of the unit must be free of any dirt or dust-free and should be checked on a regular basis for safety. At all times, never touch the appliance with wet hands and never operate the unit if the power cord is damaged. Additionally, keep the dehumidifier away from open flames and other sources of flammable materials.